In this video, we'll be talking about the 2SHARE token. Currently, it's priced at $1,444, which is saying up 12% on the day, 6.5 mil volume, which is pretty good, to be honest. You can buy it on Spooky Swap. We'll go over it within the video, but before we start, keep in mind that this video is no financial advice, just a random dude on the internet sharing his opinion. With that being said, the purpose of this series is very simple. Pretty much every single day, I go over all the new tokens on the hot tokens for you guys and girls. So all you gotta do is hit the like button, which really helps out, and subscribe if you are new. The cool thing when you subscribe is I'll tell you about all the hottest news tokens first before anyone else, hopefully. And do upload a lot of these videos. I'm very active on Twitter. I'll have my team do a lot of blog posts and Twitter posts whenever there's a new video, so you probably want to join in on Twitter as well. And I'm sponsored by Nemesis DAO, which is a really cool play to earn token on the OHM fork network. Where is it? Here it is. No, here it is. It has 400% APY, which is insane. I already made a few reviews on it. It's the best project APY relative to markup on the OHM fork network. Definitely do check it out. So let's talk about 2Share. When we go on their website, let me just check something because they want me to add my wallet. I want to see something first. When we go on their website, you can see that welcome to TOMB, which is Home Finance, Tomb or Tomb, a fork for the Tomb Finance. Okay, back to the price of one FTM via. Okay, so this is trending. A lot of people are actually doing that. This is the price right now. I almost think that I've talked about it before, but I guess I didn't. Liquidity pools are what a lot of people are interested. So you have boardrooms, bonds, dividends, beefy votes, Beluga, maximizer, governance, contracts, and etc. I gotta unlock my wallet for all of that, but what I would be interested in is checking out the price. Let me just open up. I cannot see that well, by the way, because of because my I just had a laser operation on my eyes yesterday, but I just still wanna um be able to record. And okay, I'm trying to open up a few things. Bear with me. Okay. And what I want to see is the 2Share contract. I will open it up on the EX2s. And there's a lot of things that we need to check out after that. So the token is CA, right? Yes, CA, here it is. So let's open that up real quick. There's a lot of things we need to check out when it comes to the price. Something I really wanted to actually add. The cool thing about DX2s is unlike PooCoin, they actually save your settings on TradingView. So I want to open up the volume profile as well. Come on, you have it. Volume. Okay, sometimes they have it, sometimes they don't. Please explain. Volume profile. They don't have this indicator. We can do it manually, but why? VP. How do you not have that? Okay, so cool. So there's a few levels that you want to watch out for. First, the a big area of interest is this level, because this level right here was where we had a lot of volume. as well as from what I can see, this level right here. I'll actually have this. This served as accumulation zone, as you can see, was is probably was where a lot of whales went in, and this was where whales took profits. From what I can see right now, this line right here, there's a lot of selling going on around this area right here. We saw it here as well, so this is an area to be respected. Currently, we cannot break above it, which is a bad sign, but here is how I would play this, and it can be very different from what the way you would play it, but I want to see where the buying pressure is. I can see some buying pressure around this area. I can see some buying pressure around this area, and I can see some buying pressure around this area, which is good because it's trending upwards. The selling pressure is also trending, it's kind of the same, but it's trending downward. As you can see here, if we actually have a trend line for the selling pressure, which is good because we're seeing a divergence, we can see that we went from all the selling pressure right here, which moved the price a little bit, to the selling pressure right here that's going down and down. And at the same time, we can see a potentially uptick in the buying pressure right here. But again, it's kind of risky because this is the level where there's a lot of price movement. If it would be a risky trade to do something like this, but potentially if you want to join in, just tune in right from the start, a I would probably start a trade with something like this, and do a 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio, but it's really hard to measure at this level. But this is doable even without just targeting the all-time high. An alternative, which is probably a better alternative, is if you have the patience to wait. If you can wait a little bit, what I would do is try to get around this area where there's the reaccumulation, where whales buying in at. Even at this level right here, if you can get something at around this area with a stop loss here, or even a stop loss here, would be really, really good risk to reward wise. And then you can even just target this area for 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, or you can just have a stop loss here and get a 1.28 with just scalping between the ranges without even thinking too much about the project. These are two trade scenarios. Let me know what you think. Do you have another option, another thesis that you want to that you would consider instead? I'm definitely interested, so comment down below your thoughts. I'm interested to hear those. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Like if you agree with me, dislike if you disagree. See you next video, next token. Bye.